civil rights. They didn't fight for their rights,
but
they died within the process.
But truth, if truth is going to be what it is, then let me ask you: before Barack Obama joined the politics parties, before he even decided to run, Hillary Clinton was already a front, all the way up front.
Yeah.
Okay, nobody wanted Barack. Barack came from nowhere, pretty much. He came out of the dark and began to win. Kerry was over him.
Barack Obama didn't come out of nowhere.
Yeah, he came from a Senate from Chicago, from Illinois.
From Illinois, from Chicago, right?
Yeah,
Chicago. Let me stop you, Morris. Look back in history. JFK said 2008 it was going to be a black president. Okay, this was prophesied before. This is in one of JFK's speeches. When JFK died, before he died, he made this speech that 2008 was going to happen. It ain't come out of nowhere. The government's got everything structured. That means for history, they knew this shit was going to happen, dog. All this shit is structured. Bush got in office doing some illegal shit. His brother was in Florida. They did some shit.
the first time.
Yeah.
What you saying about the second time, though?
The second time, dude had power. You know what I'm saying? He was not even supposed to be in office.
But how much? Why not? Why not? I mean, cause
he stole the votes.
whether you like it or not, whether y'all like it or not, we as a nation gave him a second term. We gave him a second term. We had a choice, but we decided not to take that choice. And now that I see that Barack Obama's coming, I think that a lot of people get scared for Barack because nobody really heard of Barack like they heard for Clinton or Bush. But now we got a choice between two people that we don't know. That one person wanted us to stay in war for 100 years, and one person wanted to take us out of war. But the person that wants to take us out of war happens to be black or Morris, American, and that is scaring everybody. And I don't understand why.
What I'm talking about, man. I don't want Barack Obama to get in office and do some bullshit that they've been doing to us for hundreds of centuries. They've been doing this shit for years, man, for centuries.
Yeah, but
come on.
But so I'm saying, cause okay, my brother said this too. My brother said this. He said many people believe that when Barack Obama get elected, or if he does get elected, that many people see Barack as the Antichrist. That's what they believe. I'm not saying me myself. I don't think that's true.
Goddamn sense.
I don't either, because he said this. He said right when because the way the society is built on.
Bush should have been the goddamn Antichrist if anybody was. Him or that goddamn dude was Chris Angel. This motherfucker doing all type of shit on TV. That's some Antichrist shit.
It is, but in the Bible, if we can go to the Bible, even though state and church is separated, but in the Bible, they said that Lucifer himself is pretty, but he had a voice like thunder. And a lot of people think Barack is sexy. Now, could it be true? I don't know.
Damn that. That's not. Back to the subject, man.
Okay. Sorry.
Politically,
Get in there.
Barack Obama, you know what I'm saying? I believe, I'm a revolutionary, so I believe this. I'm an activist. You know what I'm saying? Civil. I'm about change. So I believe this is a good change because a woman and somebody that is non-European, state of origin, nationality, they both ran at the same time. So 2008 was a good year for us. You know what I'm saying? For women and us. But just don't get in office and misuse your shit, man. Real shit.
So I think we really pretty much come down to this, that we both want Barack to go in. Yeah. We just got different beliefs in a way of he wants Barack to do what he says. Exactly. I believe that Barack's going to do what he says. And that might sound confusing, but I do believe that we trust you as being president. It's not about being a black president or white president. We just want whoever gets in office to do what they say and support the Americans, really.
And end the war.
End the war.
Stop killing them people's kids, man. You know what I'm saying? Bush, you got in office, dude. You said this war was about this and that. It was about the oil and the control. It was about the money. You got them people in office. You got everybody gassed up. We were still in school. We didn't graduate. We still in school. The war going on. People been losing their kids since 2000 and what? We graduated. We graduated 2002. So for the last 6 years,
we've been in war.
People been losing their kids,
losing their mothers.
And you got them people gassed up. All these people, these big people, all these politicians, these politicals. What's the political party? We Democrats. I don't even
Republican.
Okay, I don't use that one. I don't believe in that. But look, you got them people gassed up. They got all the money. Oh yeah, send their kids over there. Send their kids over there.
Bush, send your daughter over there. Bush, send one of your grandchildren over there. Then you come talk to us about how you feel about when you lose one of them. Because right now, I think we lost over 10,000 people over there for a war that's not even really happening. So we wanted to see a bigger change because truth and justice is going to be here for a minute.
Yeah.
So if you want to tune into what we saying every week, just understand that we're just trying to make a change right now.
Let me see one more time.
Go ahead.
I want to speak to all the people, from the hood, all the motherfuckers selling dope. Stop selling drugs, man. Take your money, get out the drug game. Feel me? Since y'all want Barack to be in office, we can't even vote. You know what I'm saying? One of us get in office and we can't even vote. Y'all still selling drugs, you know what I'm saying? Take your money, man, and get out the dope game. Do something legit. Get a business. Be somebody. That's it.
I feel that. So next time when we talking about politics. Talking about church, religion.
We're going to go into that, man. Something else.
That might be 2 shows. I don't even know because he's crazy. Well, I'm too. All right, y'all.
Yeah.